Our real inner nature is not different from the nature outside. Animals stay very close to the visible nature and they never cross the boundary. But it's not the case with us humans. We have long drifted away from nature and so from our core self. When you touch a plant or go near a wild animal, they are able to sense your mind and perceive you as their enemy, and hence the defense mechanism triggers. But if you keep your attention on your true awareness within instead of the mind, they see you as themselves and know that you will not harm them. That is the essence of Aham Brahmasmi. All are the one supreme consciousness.